Hello Fusion 360 modelers. In our last video we created the brackets for our pen stand, but we forgot to do two things. We forgot to put in dog bones and we forgot to put fillet edges on the models, so the bodies. So let's use this as an opportunity to practice going to the timeline to edit our design. Right now, the top layer of the browser tree is activated, and you can see all of the steps that we've used to create this pen stand. Well, let's go down here and activate bracket, and you can see how the timeline is simplified. This is only the information that is associated with this component. So first of all, let's move back in the timeline to just before the sketch, and we'll edit our sketch, right-clicking on the sketch, edit sketch. And let's go in here, we'll turn off the base and the legs to make it visually more clear. And let's go in here and add some of our dog bones. We'll take the center circle, click above where we want it to be, and we'll use tool diameter to define that circle. And then we'll grab it by the center point and pull it down. Let's do that 3 more times. And we'll come over to this side. And one last time. Okay, so now we have our dog bones for this side of the bracket. Let's put them up on the other side by using mirroring. We'll select our circles. Get on. There we go. And now select our mirror line. And there we go, they've populated above. We'll click OK. So now, when we click Finish Sketch, we can move in the timeline to show the first extrusion, and it does not yet have those dog bones, so we will right-click or control-click on that feature. Go to Edit Feature. The fastest way to do this is X out of everything that had been selected before and just select the profiles again. It repopulates Tmax and it retains the new body designation. We'll click OK there. And while we're here, let's just go ahead and add in a fillet to soften these corners. We'll soften that corner and that corner to 0.06 inches. And now you see that that fillet has been added right there into the timeline associated with that feature, the extrusion. So we'll move the timeline again and we will right click on this feature. Again, use X just to deselect everything. Select the profile that you want. It's already coming up to Tmax and it is a new body. We'll accept that. And once more, we'll add in our fillets. Great, so when we go back and click the top layer and turn on visibility of all of these components, we can see now that we have fillets, we have dog bones. It's looking good. But let's give ourselves one last chance to head off any trouble by using Inspect. We'll use Inspect for interference. We'll select everything in the model and let it compute. And it says no interferences are detected, so that's great. So our design is working 3-dimensionally. We can also look for any coincident faces And you can see that it does list some faces that are touching, but you see the volume is the amount of 0. So there's no interference, there's no overlapping faces. So we're going to be good to go. All right, so we'll see you in the next video, and we'll start our procedure for going into manufacture and setting this up to be fabricated on the CNC router. See you there.